Hello friends, welcome to Barnala, a hidden treasure in Punjab full of surprises. Get ready because Barnala is ready to steal your heart, just like in the movies. Imagine this, you're driving through Punjab, fields all around, sunshine on your face. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the earthy aroma of freshly tilled soil. The landscape is a patchwork of green and gold, with farmers working diligently in their fields, tending to crops that have sustained generations. The road ahead is long, but the journey is serene, almost meditative. You're about 2 hours from Chandigarh, driving on NH64, a highway that cuts through the heart of Punjab. This road is more than just a route, it's a lifeline that connects bustling cities with tranquil villages. As you drive, you pass by small dhabas where the aroma of freshly cooked parathas and chai wafts through the air, inviting you to take a break and savor the local flavors. And suddenly you see a sign, "Welcome to Barnala." It's a moment of anticipation as you wonder what this town holds. Barnala isn't just a dot on the map, it's a place with its own unique charm and character. The sign is simple, yet it marks the beginning of a new chapter in your journey. Barnala is like that friend who's always there, quietly located in the southeast of Punjab. It's a town that doesn't shout for attention but has a quiet confidence about it. From an aerial view, you can see the blend of modernity and tradition, with new buildings standing alongside historical structures. The streets are lined with trees, offering shade and a sense of calm. It's near the Sutlej River, a river that's seen a lot of history. The Sutlej has been a witness to the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures. It's more than just a body of water, it's a storyteller carrying tales of the past as it flows through the land. The riverbanks are dotted with spots perfect for a quiet reflection or a family picnic. So that's Barnala, down to earth, historic and full of surprises. It's a place where every street has a story, every corner a memory. The people here are warm and welcoming, always ready to share a cup of tea and a tale or two. Barnala may not be on every traveller's list, but for those who visit, it leaves an indelible mark on their hearts. Every city has a story, a past. Barnala is no different. This city, nestled in the heart of Punjab, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of countless generations. Its streets, buildings, and even the air seem to whisper tales of yore, inviting you to delve deeper into its rich history. Barnala's history is super old, going way back to the Mauryan Empire. Imagine a time when this land was part of one of the most powerful empires in ancient India. The Mauryan Empire, known for its vast expanse and administrative prowess, left an indelible mark on this region. The remnants of that era still echo in the archaeological sites scattered around Barnala. Imagine emperors walking on this very land. The grandeur of their courts, the strategies discussed in hushed tones, and the cultural exchanges that took place. Barnala was a silent witness to all of this. The very soil you tread on has been part of epic tales and grand histories. Then came the Mughals, adding their own touch. The Mughal era brought with it a fusion of Persian, Indian and Islamic influences. Their architectural marvels with intricate designs and majestic structures still stand tall in Barnala. These buildings are not just structures, they are storytellers narrating the tales of a bygone era. You can see their influence in the buildings, the food, everything. The local markets, with their vibrant colours and bustling energy, are a testament to the Mughal legacy. The aroma of traditional dishes wafting through the air, the intricate designs on the market walls, all speak of a rich cultural amalgamation. It's a mix of cultures, like a perfect cup of chai. Barnala is a melting pot where different traditions, customs and flavours blend seamlessly. The cultural events, the festivals and the everyday life here are a beautiful blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern. So, next time you're in Barnala, take a moment to think about its history. Reflect on the layers of time that have shaped this city. Each corner, each monument and each street has a story to tell. Barnala is not just a place, it's a living, breathing chronicle of history waiting to be explored. Punjab and farming go together, right? The vast, lush green fields, the hard-working farmers and the iconic tractors are all part of this beautiful landscape. It's a sight that fills you with a sense of peace and admiration for the people who work tirelessly to feed the nation. And Barnala is right in the middle of it all. This city, nestled in the heart of Punjab, is a perfect blend of rural charm and urban development. From the aerial view, you can see the sprawling fields that surround the city, a testament to its agricultural roots. Wheat fields stretch as far as the eye can see, and the smell of fresh rice fills the air. The golden hues of the wheat crops and the vibrant green of the rice fields create a picturesque landscape that is both breathtaking and humbling. But Barnala isn't just about farming. The city is bustling with small businesses that add to its unique charm. Walking through the streets, you can see a variety of shops and local markets, each with its own story and history. There are lots of small businesses growing quickly. From traditional crafts to modern enterprises, the entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well in Barnala. Local entrepreneurs are working hard to make their mark, contributing to the city's vibrant economy. From clothes factories to food factories, Barnala is busy. The textile mills produce high-quality fabrics, while the food processing units ensure that the produce from the fields is transformed into delicious products. The workers in these factories are dedicated and skilled, playing a crucial role in the city's industrial landscape, showing that it's about tradition and progress. Barnala is a place where the old and the new coexist harmoniously. Traditional activities and modern infrastructure blend seamlessly, creating a unique environment that respects the past while embracing the future. It's where old meets new, where hard work pays off. The community in Barnala is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. Whether it's in the fields or in the factories, the people of Barnala are committed to building a better future for themselves and their city. You know how some parties are boring? Barnala's culture is the opposite. It's like a big Diwali party where everyone's invited, the music is loud and the food is amazing. Sikhs, Hindus, Muslims, everyone is welcome in Barnala. It's a mix of cultures where everyone celebrates together. And the festivals are awesome. Diwali lights up the city, Gurpurabs are celebrated with love, and Eid brings delicious biryani. You know how parents always talk about education? Well, Barnala takes education seriously. From schools to colleges, the city has it all. It's like a buffet of knowledge. And it's not just about textbooks. Barnala knows that practical skills are important too. So whether you want to be a scientist or a business owner, Barnala supports you. You won't have to chase a train to get to Barnala because it's easy to reach. The train station has trains going everywhere, so whether you're coming from Delhi or Amritsar, getting to Barnala is simple. And if you don't like trains, there are buses that will take you anywhere quickly, so pack your bags because Barnala is waiting. Every city has its special places. Barnala is full of them. We've talked about Gurdwara Nanaksar, a peaceful place. If you want to experience real Punjabi culture, go to Rangla, Punjab, a theme park near Barnala. It's like going back in time with folk dances, traditional food, and a great atmosphere. So grab your cameras and get ready to explore Barnala. You know how you sometimes change your look? Well, Barnala is changing too. New roads, better sanitation, and improved hospitals. And it's not just the buildings. The whole city feels different. There's a feeling that Barnala is becoming even better. So if you haven't been to Barnala lately, it's time to visit. You know how the weather can be so unpredictable? Barnala's weather is exactly the same. Summers are super hot, but there's always lassi to cool you down. Winters are cozy, and then there's the monsoon season with lots of heavy rain. So whenever you visit Barnala, be ready for anything. We know Barnala is famous for farming, but there's more to its economy. Farming is important, but there are also factories. Clothes factories, food factories, and other types of factories. Farmers grow the materials. The factories make products, and the products are sent all over the country. So, next time you eat a biscuit or wear a cotton shirt, it might be from Barnala. So that's our trip to Barnala. We've had fun and learned about this special place in Punjab. From its history to its culture, Barnala has everything. Until next time, stay happy and keep exploring.